Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at H&M to check out their fabulous summer collection. I'll be sharing some amazing finds with you, along with pricing details and tips on what basics you should grab to enhance your style this season. And of course, there's stunning jewelry collection too. So, let's get started. And if you're new on this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so whenever I post a video, you can get the notification. So I'll start this video with an amazing discount hack at H&M. तो अगर आपके पास पुराने कपड़े हैं, मतलब जिन्हें आप पहन के बोर हो चुके हैं, तो आप वो H&M के स्टोर पे दे सकते हैं and you can get exclusive 15% discount on that and you can buy anything from their store. And now let's move on to the video. So I'll start this video with my favorite corner which is must have basics. तो अगर आप H&M के स्टोर पे जा रहे हैं एंड अगर आप लोगों ने उनका मस्ट हैव बेसिक्स कॉर्नर विजिट नहीं किया तो आप लाइफ में बहुत कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ये छोटे छोटे जो बेसिक्स हैं वो आपके फैशन स्टाइल को पूरा ही चेंज कर देते हैं एंड इनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटी है, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है प्रोडक्ट्स की एंड उसके साथ साथ अफोर्डेबल प्राइसिंग है. मतलब प्राइसिंग इनका जो आता है वो बिटवीन 300 to 1400 मैक्स. उसमें आपके सारे बेसिक्स आ जाते हैं. बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं एंड जैसे आप देख सकते हो इनके पास टी शर्ट्स हैं, क्रॉप टी शर्ट्स हैं, लॉन्ग स्लीव टी शर्ट्स हैं, वेस्ट टॉप्स हैं. जितने भी प्रोडक्ट मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ उनकी प्राइसिंग मैं स्क्रीन पे डाल दूँगी. उसके साथ साथ इन सारे प्रोडक्ट का लिंक जो है वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी, सो आप चेक कर सकते हैं वहाँ से. And if you're exploring H&M basics for the first time, I would love to recommend some of my absolute favorites. You can't go wrong with their classic white t-shirts. They are an essential piece. I also adore their trendy crop tops and versatile denim shorts, perfect for any casual day out. And don't miss out on their figure-hugging bodycon dresses. They are my personal favorite and a must-have, perfect for building a chic and effortless wardrobe. So, must try. Now, let's check out their summer dresses. First, I spotted this red blazer, but the quality didn't impress me. Then I saw this gorgeous green dress and immediately added it to my try-on bag. The best part, almost every store now showcases jewelry and footwear with their clothing, giving you styling ideas on the spot. So must check out. And there is one more green short dress, but इसने मुझे इतना impress नहीं किया. And then this white dress stole my heart. Oh my god, the fabric, the look, everything. White is my favorite color, so I had to try it on, even if it's a bit on pricey side. Now it's time for some orangey vibes. Actually, summer 2024 के जो trending colors हैं are like green, white, blue, orange. आपको यहाँ mostly वही colors दिख भी रहे होंगे. The first orange dress didn't wow me, but the second one was perfect and I just had to try it on. Now, let's check out their jewelry. H&M has an amazing range of jewelry that can elevate any outfit. Whether you are into bold statement earrings, delicate necklaces or rings, stunning silver and gold, they have got you covered. And let's not forget their stylish accessories. From chic belts and trendy caps to cute hair accessories, my personal favorite, and footwears. Must have handbags. Trust me, there is something for everyone to fall in love with. Plus, all their pieces are of premium quality with affordable pricing, water resistant and super easy to clean. And you can find all the product links in the description box. And finally, I spotted this stunning white and blue dress, just like the one I saw on Isha Malviya from Bigg Boss 14. Okay, this is so beautiful, and now I can't wait to try. So let's go. First, I tried this waist top with 95% cotton. The quality is amazing. I am wearing size small, which fits perfectly. Then this black and white waist crop top. मैंने देखते ही डिसाइड कर लिया था कि this is तो I am buying. Then I tried a black bodycon dress that hugs your body beautifully. You can style it with sneakers or a white shirt and flats for a chic look. This orange maxi dress with its deep V neckline, it's perfect for summers. Moving on, another maxi dress with amazing fabric, breathable and perfectly fitting with lovely detailing, and these strings on both the side. I love these. Now look at this beauty. What do you think? 100% cotton, a side zip and a flare skirt with an amazing fit. You can see in the video, it fits me so beautiful material and fitting. Finally, our last piece, a white maxi dress with white shoulder straps and a neat design at the top and bottom, making it extra special. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy this H&M summer collection haul. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment and share with your friends and family, and subscribe for more fashion and style tips. I'm Muskan Chaudhary signing off for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.